Before you work on this unit, switch off all power supplies. Disassembly process contents. 1. Disconnect connection pipe. Remove the undercover from both sides. Insert your finger, push down and release the hooks from both sides. If the space is not enough, remove the front panel. Two. Front panel disassembly. Remove the air filter. Remove the intake grill and all screws on the front side. On the bottom side, remove the caps by lifting and pulling them off, then remove the screws. On the top back side, release the hooks in sequence. Lift and pull them off one by one, starting from the left and moving to the right. 3. PCB disassembly. Push the hook on the bottom, then remove the cover. All together should disconnect 4 connectors and 1 screw. Caution: before touching the PCB, discharge static electricity by first touching a grounded metal surface. Press the hooks and simultaneously lift the PCB. Four. Sensor and indicator. Push down and remove. Release the hook. Five. Thermistor. Caution: wear protective gloves to reduce the risk of injury. Cut the binder. Lift the bottom of the holder. Pull out the thermistor. 6. Control box. Remove 2 screws. Pull up carefully. 7. Louver disassembly. Push and remove the middle connection. Then remove the louver, starting from the middle and then releasing both sides. 8. Drain pan disassembly. Create space at the back to make working easier, and prepare a container to collect any remaining drain water. Remove the screw and the condensate hose. Remove the spacer behind the unit. Release the side hook, then release the remaining 3 hooks at the bottom. Nine. Fan motor. Remove the screw from the turbine. Remove another 3 screws. Remove motor case. Push the hooks. Evaporator disassembly. You need to disconnect the pipes. On the left side, remove 2 screws. Pull and lift up. On the right side, release this hook, as well as the one on the top. Lift both sides simultaneously. Remove cross-flow fan. Caution: keep in mind the distance between the base and the cross-flow fan. It should be 3 mm. Thank you for watching.